You can make your Excel worksheet visually appealing by adding clip art and pictures. We have this worksheet here with just raw data and shape which we inserted. Let's add a picture to this sheet. Clip art refers to pre-made images illustrating any theme. The term originated back in the days when images were actually clipped from books and reused in new print projects. Let's learn how a clip art is inserted into a worksheet. Click on the Insert tab. In the illustration group, click on the Clip Art button. Excel responds by displaying the clip art task pane. The task pane is similar to a dialog box except that you can keep it visible as long as you like. The task pane is docked on the right side of the Excel window, but you can move it anywhere you like by clicking its title bar and dragging. Excel remembers the last position, so the next time you use that task pane, it will be right where you left it. It is important to remember that to use the clip art option, you will need an internet connection. As the theme of our worksheet is related to chocolate, click on the search box and type chocolate. Click on the Go button. You can see that many images related to chocolate appear here. Scroll down to see more of them. Select this one here. When you click on an image, it is inserted on the sheet. Close the Clip Art task pane by clicking on the Close button here. You can move the image around by clicking the left mouse button and dragging it. When you select the image, you can see an additional set of options here. Click on any cell. This will deselect the image. Now, we don't have the additional options. Excel allows you to edit the image that you have inserted. Select the image and you can see the Picture Tool Format tab with many options appearing in the ribbon bar. When you move your mouse over the various picture style options, you get the preview of various styles. Click on the Color drop-down menu and we get these bunch of options here. Moving the mouse pointer over the various options, we get a preview. We can convert this image to grayscale, wash out, any other options here just by clicking on it. For now, click on No Recolor. Take your mouse pointer to one of these corner handles and drag it to increase or decrease the size. Let's decrease the size. Left click and drag the picture and place it next to Chocolate Factory here. Now that we have done inserting a clip art, let's see how to insert a picture. Click on the Insert tab and choose the Picture option. Excel displays its Insert Picture dialog box from which you can browse for the image file. In the Chapter 4 folder, we have an image of chocolate. Click on the chocolate. Click on the Insert button. When you insert a picture on a worksheet, you can modify the picture in a number of ways. Click on the Correction drop-down menu. Here we get various options to adjust the sharpness, brightness and contrast of the image. Click on the Correction button to close the drop-down menu. Various colors can be applied to the image by clicking on the Colors drop-down menu and choosing any of the colors by clicking on it. Click on the Color button to close the drop-down menu. A new feature in Office 2010 is Artistic Effects. This command can apply a number of Photoshop-like effects to an image. To use this feature, click on the Artistic Effect drop-down menu. You will be amazed by some of the effects that are available. Just move the mouse pointer over the various options and we get a preview of each of the effects. Click on the glass option. Let's resize the picture. There is one more feature that was added in Excel 2010. This feature allows you to insert an image of any program running on your computer. First, let's open the PowerPoint presentation that is given to you in the folder. Do not minimize the window. Open your Excel worksheet. Click on the Insert tab. Then click on the Screenshot drop-down menu and select from the available window. Let's reduce its size. We can see here that we select the screenshot, all the formatting options are available. In the case of pictures or clip art are available here. Let's see another option called Screen Clipping option. Click on Insert tab again. Click on the Screenshot drop-down menu again. Remember that Screen Click option can only be used with the windows that are maximized. So if our PowerPoint presentation is minimized, let's maximize it. Select the Screen Clipping option. When your screen becomes white, select the area that you want to copy by left-clicking and dragging. And the area that you want to display will appear in your worksheet. This is a great feature as you can copy images from any file or web pages. This concludes our tutorial on pictures and clip art.